You're the only late one. The thing said 6 p.m. Like, these people.
When we go in there, what we gonna do in there? What we doing in there?
You wanna go inside?
No. Well, we could go inside later.
Yeah, I'm saying we can get something to eat because I'm hungry.
Well, I'm so mad.
I'm mad as hell. And we're here rushing, walking, power walking and shit. Like, what the fuck with these people? At the Barclays Center. About to see a concert, but we're not gonna see that concert until 9 o'clock. And we mad as hell. I'm so mad. Because the friggin' thing says 6 p.m. And the concert starts at 9.
Are we thinking we late? Is the Barclays Center?
The whole time.
What they got in there?
A boxing match going on.
No. What they
Oh,
got?
I don't know. I never been in there. Never been in there. My first time being here.
Oh, they got a restaurant in there.
You rather eat in there than eat over there? Chick-fil-A or Shake Shack?
Look at this girl. She just came with her heels. She
Who?
has tattoos.
Oh shit, for real?
She got her heels on.
And you said you wanted to wear heels too.
No, because we was going on the train.
She said, I'm not wearing no heels on the train. I'm so mad.
Step right in and use all the doors.
Oh, look at Kobe.
So come home, then go back. I'm doing too much. That's too much. I'll call you back. We have to figure out what to do.
You about to get something to eat. That's what you about to do. Terrible. I'm sneakers. I know you mad because you just got off work.
Yo, I freaking I walked in the house, walked straight in the shower.
Alright, let's come. Go get something to eat, girl.
I might end up getting one.
You won't get 2 from here and 1 from there.
No, I might get one here, one there. One here, 2 there. I don't know. Depending how good the show going. I don't know.
I'm on a date, guys. I'm on a date. I'm kind of nervous right now. Kimberly. You know what I said?
What you said?
She didn't hear what I said. I said I'm on a date. I'm kind of nervous.
Oh, yeah.
You know, man. She don't know what she wants. Tell you to get this one. This looks so yummy.
I don't know.
I don't like this.
I should have. What's gonna come in a bowl?
You don't want a bowl. You want a plate.
I want a plate.
She's like, no, I want to. So after we can put it in a plate. Maybe it's a big bowl.
Maybe, you know what? I should just get this and just go. You know what? I'm getting that.
Big confused. She don't know what she wants.
Skinny self. You know what? I'm just getting. Forget it, man.
That's what you getting?
The carbs.
That's what you getting?
Yeah, I'm getting.
And I got 2.
And the artichoke dip is for me.
Yeah, but that's I got 2 entrees.
Right, and I'm gonna eat this and that.
But I still get more food than you.
Okay.
My greedy ass. I ain't eating soft though.
You want Alfredo? Yeah. And I'll be right back with your drinks also.
Okay.
He like, you finally make up your mind? I don't like all that look. This better taste good, Kimberly.
So this better taste good.
It's better. Look how you look. Kimberly? Kimberly said, I'm mad hungry, then he come. I'm sorry, I ain't here all day. It looks good. Your bread is bigger than mine. It is. It's fatter. It's soft though. Mmm. Very yummy. There she go. Wasting her drink.
It's not water down.
In Target. I need some water on this here. What the hell is this? Oh, my deodorant. Oh, damn. Kimberly, why you tell me I had deodorant on my shirt, girl?
Yeah, what?
Deodorant.
Where?
Right here.
I didn't know what that was. Oh, black brown.
Oh, hell no. I was hoping that was going to happen. What am I going to do? The one piece. Got this from Shein. I gotta get this off.
Brown.
Where's the bathroom at?
I don't see the mascara.
This is bothering me. I thought it was the bathroom. Where's the bathroom at? Oh, you gonna put it on? Oh, mascara.
Oh, this one.
I don't need this makeup thing. I don't got the patience. I do it when I feel like it. Rasta gal. Kimberly, I was thinking about something. Self-checkout, right? Oh yeah, the bathroom is that way, right? They moved it. They changed up in here.
Go ahead.
Oh. Self-checkout. They're watching you. $31. For what? What you got?
Oh, they scanned the shot.
Oh,
Remember to grab your receipt. Thanks. See you again soon.
that was quick. We got like four stuff or 3 stuff for $31. That's crazy.
The robbery.
It's a robbery. You want the makeup, girl? I don't know. They moved. It was right here before. I'm about to ask this man. Hi. Where's the bathroom? Bathroom.
Right here on the side of Starbucks.
Okay, thank you. So this one, this one. Starbucks. You drink Starbucks?
Yeah.
I never had Starbucks ever in my life. I'm so mad they threw my food away. I was hoping to eat that. Where we go, over here? Oh, look. 20 minutes? See? That's why they took my damn food, because they want people to buy food. Not buying no food. I hate when they do that. Oh, it's dry. Did it go away? Yeah. We're gonna go find our receipt, because Kimberly, you want to sit down early.
Why not?
You're right, why not? Ain't nothing else to do. Crowded in here.
Lots is still going on.
Oh. They really just threw away my food that I just had from Applebee's because they want me to buy food from here, and I refuse. I am not buying no damn food from here. But I don't know. What we doing? What's down there? Want to walk? I ain't never been here before. I just want to see what's around. Well, they got the cops out here. They got pizza.
I don't want no food.
Yeah.
So if we would have came early, we would have been standing right here.
Yeah. pretty much.
3 hours.
It's a good thing that we went to go eat. And then we're still early.
I'd like to say rest in peace to Dennis Brown.
He's smoking weed in here.
If tomorrow's just a day, standing on the front line. I'd like to say rest in peace to Dennis Brown.
If you love Dennis Brown, let me see your hands in the air right now. Brooklyn, I just want you real quick right now.
It's crowded.
One that go like this. Only to you, I will reveal my truth. So tell the police I ain't home tonight. Messing around with you is gonna get me alive. When I look into your eyes, Lord, you're worth the sacrifice. Yeah, yeah. If this is the kind of love that my mom is talking about, Brooklyn, I'm in trouble. I'm really in trouble. Rappers love to brag. Hold on, easy, don't play. So, rappers love to brag and talk a lot of shit. And you see them with 3,000 bodyguards and they never comfortable. I done sold 100 million records. I'm so fucking comfortable.
All up in the crowd.
Hold on. DMX forever.
was chilling on the countryside with men like Wycliffe, Jerry Wonder, Big Jack, Big Beats. And we're gonna do something like this for you. Death is from the street, that is what we have. We'll kill it. Tell the facts that we live know. Don't even fight. Let me see hands up in the air, boy. Hands up in the air one time. Death is on the street, that is.
Oh, wow. It's really just a mix of that food. Look at her. Cheese and mouth. She cheeses. She's feeding for him. He calling.
I don't want to mix up talking with people. I'm not talking to some about Caribbean people. They're supportive, you know. Anyone in the party that will reach, you know why? We love the joy. You can tell everybody will come out. You see the Caribbean people will come out and get their visa on the stereo, and get their green card on the stereo, and get their citizenship on the stereo. Respect to all. Ambition is key. You see the people in the town, let's get together, please get it together. We never come here for the ambitious yet. We never want us to find the road, another time for sure in the back. Let's get back to it now. Big Barclay Center, I'm going to say that. To the day I'm putting. Get it down! By the way, this is my DJ, he's professional. His name is Reggaeton. AWS Family. What about the lights hour? You know what? We don't have much time now. Please continue the show. I'm listening to some of the people that know. I'm listening to someone that know. Watch this. Stop crying to me. Where you been?
Yeah, we fuck with verses, because verses fuck with us. We represent dancehall music, represent West Indian culture, we represent, you know that? All who come from Jamaica, every time I party out. We go from the country, but now one specifically dedicated to the Jamaican people of Brooklyn, New York. It's a 90s, Flatbush, 50s party. Rosa. Give me that. Watch out. 50,000 songs to sing to the people. Can I see it?
Love is all we need for sure. In a world that's going so insane, we watch tomorrow when we're up in flames. Even people try to change our lives. To be free, we gotta fight the fight. What we really need, what we really want, is something to ease the pain. We can waste a minute, we've got to get in it. Life or death is not a game. So fire. Spread it all around the world. Spread it like a virus. We're spreading it around the world. We need it. You know something? I think that's it. Yeah, man, I respect that sing, but you just come sing with your band. I respect that. Spread it around the world. Yes, make some noise for the Barrington Negri. Spread it like, you see, that piece of the exit down the stage. Now hold on, Barrington, make some noise for Barrington Negri, y'all. Yo, hold on. One number. What kind of roses in your heart? To keep the years and not to water. So you see, let me tell y'all something. When I drop this record, if by chance Busta Rhymes is in a place like again.
this line about the end. First dedication for the world. This I'm going to talk about. Let me get it on there. I'm going to talk about it. Manager, live for the city. I want to feel something like
done yet. The guy's still performing, but we tired, so we good. But Kimmy gotta work in the morning, but it was fun.